You probably interact with artificial intelligence on a daily basis and don't even realize it. Many people still associate AI with science fiction dystopias, but that characterization is waning as AI develops and becomes more commonplace in our daily lives. Today, artificial intelligence is a household name, and sometimes even a household presence. While acceptance of AI in mainstream society is a new phenomenon, it is not a new concept. The modern field of AI came into existence in 1956, but it took decades of work to make significant progress toward developing an AI system and making it a technological reality. In business, artificial intelligence has a wide range of uses. In fact, most of us interact with AI in some form or another on a daily basis. From the mundane to the breathtaking, artificial intelligence is already disrupting virtually every business process in every industry. As AI technologies proliferate, they are becoming imperative to maintain a competitive edge. What is AI? Before examining how AI technologies are impacting the business world, it's important to define the term. Artificial intelligence is a broad term that refers to any type of computer software that engages in human-like activities, including learning, planning, and problem-solving. Calling specific applications artificial intelligence is like calling a car a vehicle. It's technically correct, but it doesn't cover any of the specifics. To understand what type of AI is predominant in business, we have to dig deeper. Machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most common types of AI in development for business purposes today. Machine learning is primarily used to process large amounts of data quickly. These types of AIs are algorithms that appear to learn over time. If you feed a machine learning algorithm more data, its modeling should improve. Machine learning is useful for putting vast troves of data, increasingly captured by connected devices and the Internet of Things, into a digestible context for humans. For example, if you manage a manufacturing plant, your machinery is likely hooked up to the network. Connected devices feed a constant stream of data about functionality, production, and more to a central location. Unfortunately, it's too much data for a human to ever sift through, and even if they could, they would likely miss most of the patterns. Related, artificial insurance? How machine learning is transforming underwriting. Machine learning can rapidly analyze the data as it comes in, identifying patterns and anomalies. If a machine in the manufacturing plant is working at a reduced capacity, a machine learning algorithm can catch it and notify decision makers that it's time to dispatch a preventive maintenance team. But machine learning is also a relatively broad category. The development of artificial neural networks, an interconnected web of artificial intelligence nodes, has given rise to what is known as deep learning. Deep learning. Deep learning is an even more specific version of machine learning that relies on neural networks to engage in what is known as nonlinear reasoning. Deep learning is critical to performing more advanced functions, such as fraud detection. It can do this by analyzing a wide range of factors at once. For instance, for self-driving cars to work, several factors must be identified, analyzed, and responded to simultaneously. Deep learning algorithms are used to help self-driving cars contextualize information picked up by their sensors, like the distance of other objects, the speed at which they are moving, and a prediction of where they will be in 5 to 10 seconds. All this information is calculated at once to help a self-driving car make decisions like when to change lanes. Deep learning has a great deal of promise in business and is likely to be used more often. Older machine learning algorithms tend to plateau in their capability once a certain amount of data has been captured, but deep learning models continue to improve their performance as more data is received. This makes deep learning models far more scalable and detailed. You could even say deep learning models are more independent. AI in business today. Rather than serving as a replacement for human intelligence and ingenuity, artificial intelligence is generally seen as a supporting tool. Although AI currently has a difficult time completing common-sense tasks in the real world, it is adept at processing and analyzing troves of data much faster than a human brain could. Artificial intelligence software can then return with synthesized courses of action and present them to the human user. In this way, we can use AI to help game out possible consequences of each action and streamline the decision-making process. Artificial intelligence is kind of the second coming of software. said Amir Hussain, founder and CEO of machine learning company Spark Cognition. It's a form of software that makes decisions on its own, that's able to act even in situations not foreseen by the programmers. Artificial intelligence has a wider latitude of decision-making ability as opposed to traditional software. Those traits make AI highly valuable throughout many industries, whether it's simply helping visitors and staff make their way around a corporate campus efficiently, or performing a task as complex as monitoring a wind turbine to predict when it will need repairs. Common uses of AI. Some of the most standard uses of AI are machine learning, cybersecurity, customer relationship management, internet searches, and personal assistance. Machine learning. Machine learning is used often in systems that capture vast amounts of data. For example, smart energy management systems collect data from sensors affixed to various assets. The troves of data are then contextualized by machine learning algorithms and delivered to your company's decision makers to better understand energy usage and maintenance demands. Cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence is even an indispensable ally when it comes to looking for holes in computer network defenses, Hussain said. Believe it or not, AI systems can recognize a cyber attack as well as other cyber threats by monitoring patterns from data input. Once it detects a threat, it can backtrack through your data to find the source and help to prevent a future threat. That extra set of eyes, one that is as diligent and continuous as AI, will serve as a great benefit in preserving your infrastructure. You really can't have enough cybersecurity experts to look at these problems because of scale and increasing complexity. Hussain added, artificial intelligence is playing an increasing role here as well. Customer relationship management. Artificial intelligence is also changing customer relationship management systems. Software programs like Salesforce and Zoho require heavy human intervention to remain current and accurate. But when you apply AI to these platforms, a normal CRM system transforms into a self-updating, auto-correcting system that stays on top of your relationship management for you. A great example of how AI can help with customer relationships is demonstrated in the financial sector. Dr. Hossein Renama, founder and CEO of AI concierge company Flybits and visiting professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, worked with TD Bank to integrate AI with regular banking operations. Using this technology, if you have a mortgage with the bank and it's up for renewal in 90 days or less, if you're walking by a branch, you get a personalized message inviting you to go to the branch and renew purchase. If you're looking at a property for sale and you spend more than 10 minutes there, it will send you a possible mortgage offer. Internet and data research. Artificial intelligence uses a vast amount of data to identify patterns in people's search behaviors and provide them with more relevant information regarding their circumstances. As people use their devices more, and as the AI technology becomes even more advanced, users will have a more customizable experience. This means the world for your small businesses, because you will have an easier time targeting a very specific audience. We're no longer expecting the user to constantly be on a search box Googling what they need. The paradigm is shifting as to how the right information finds the right user at the right time. Digital personal assistants. Artificial intelligence isn't just available to create a more customized experience for your customers. It can also transform the way your company operates from the inside. AI bots can be used as personal assistants to help manage your emails, maintain your calendar, and even provide recommendations for streamlining processes. You can also program these AI assistants to answer questions for customers who call or chat online. These are all small tasks that make a huge difference by providing you extra time to focus on implementing strategies to grow the business. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.